Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Claude. So to do that, you don't link a button, you connect them through an integration layer called connectors, MCP, like the model context protocol, or a third-party data connector. So actually I'm going to show you the easiest method. It's the official Shopify and the Claude connector. Okay, so Shopify has a native connector inside Claude, as I told you. So you only just open the Claude web desktop or the mobile, and then just go to the settings on the left-hand menu. It's at the bottom. And now you all need to go with the connectors or the connectors option. So in my region, Shopify doesn't allow that and doesn't support that. So for you, you will find the connectors just right here. So you only just click it and then find Shopify and click connect and log into your Shopify admin account and authorize the access. So once connected, you can say things like show my best selling product, create a 10% discount code, list today's orders extra. So this works because Claude gets controlled access to your store data via Shopify's API. Also, guys, you can go with the apps. If you can't find the connectors just like me, or the connectors options just like me, go with the apps right here. I have a solution for you. And then go with Shopify App Store. Okay, so now we will get forwarded into the Shopify App Store. Just go ahead or click on the search bar and look for the connectors. Right, so you can use any of these ones, right, and then just install them. And if you still can't see these apps, just go with develop apps from here and go with build app in dev dashboard and verify your Gmail, and then you will need to enable the API access like the products, orders, inventory, and generate an admin API access token. Right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.